To set a song as ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, you want to go ahead and open up the settings of your device. So locate the settings icon or settings app, and then you want to scroll all the way down and you're going to find the sounds and vibration option. Select that, then tap on ringtone from over here. Now, in order for us to set our own custom ringtone or use a song on our device as ringtone, you want to tap on the plus icon on the top right over here. This is going to access your phone's storage. And at this point, you also have to make sure that you have already downloaded the song which you want to set as ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. There are a couple of places you can get royalty-free music which you can use as ringtone. Take for instance, if you open up your browser, I'll be using the Google Chrome. Pixabay is a very good example. You can get royalty-free music, just download them into your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. And as soon as you have the song downloaded into your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, you should be able to find it over here. If you also do not see it from over here, you can check albums or artists, or even go over to the folders on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, go over to downloads, and you should be able to find it. Mine is literally over here. I will select it. You can also choose whether you want it to use a selected highlight of this particular song as ringtone, or you can turn it off from the top in order for it to use the song from start to finish as ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. In my case, I want it to use a selected highlight. Then just tap on the done button now, and automatically that particular song will now be set as ringtone on my Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. If this was helpful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.